It's just point. It's all ready to go.
Okay, do you want video or camera?
It's already going.
Oh, just point.
Just point. Point and pray.
Whoa! Oh my gosh, that was so cool! Little scar on the head, but
I wasn't expecting to come this way.
No, I wasn't either.
Wow.
You know, when you open the crate,
landed on the tree right there, you guys.
this is awesome. That's the best thing he can do. Because
I don't want it in my hand.
if he perches and he can kind of,
He landed right on the
you know, he can sort of gather himself, his wits about him, and see where he is, and recognize that this is his neighborhood. And
so what did you have to do to rehabilitate him? Just
well, I took him to my doctor because he had his wing was drooping. The radiographs were negative. Oh, thank you. So.